Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bilal. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is what is the difference between a load curve and a load duration curve. So let's start a video without wasting the time. We can see that we have two plots. One is on the right side and other is on the left side. So let's talk about the load duration curve, which is on the right side. So in the y-axis we have a load in megawatt, and in the x-axis we have a hours duration. We have maximum load 20 and then 15 and then 5. So between 0 to 8 we have a maximum load of 20. Between 8 to 12 we have a load of 15 megawatt, and between 12 to 24 we have a load of 5. So what does it mean, how it varies? We can see that the load is gradually decreasing here. So we first it is 20 megawatt, then 15 and then 5 at that. If we move towards the load curve, we can see that between 12 to 4 we have a load of 5 megawatt, then between 4 to 8 we have a load of 15, then we have between 8 to 16 we have a load of 20, and then 16 to 24 we have a load of 5 megawatt. So how it varies? First the load is 5 megawatt, then 15, then 20 and then 5 again. So in the start the load gradually increases and then in the end it decreases. But in the low duration curve the load is decreasing. It decreases from the maximum demand. So this is the basic difference between the load and the low duration curve. The question arises how we can plot the load duration curve. It is simple. Load duration curve is plotted by selecting the maximum peak points and connecting them by a curve. Let's back. Here we can see the maximum point is here, the maximum point is here, and the maximum point is here. So by joining them together we can plot the load duration curve. And what does area under the curve give us? Area under the curves give us the total unit generated in a day. So if we move toward this graph, we have a capacity requirement in kilowatt in on y-axis and capacity utilization of time on x-axis. So base load capacity. Base load is a minimum level of demand on an electrical supply system over 24-hour period, and it is supplied by the grid most efficient plants operating continuously at the optimum capacity 24 hours per day. So total capacity requirement is represented by the arrowhead here, and peak load capacity is represented here by a green color. This position is the peak load capacity. So I hope so that you all guys understand what is the basic difference between the load and load duration curve. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe the channel and support us.